Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a house we purchased, I think over a year ago. This might be like 14 months ago. I never did a video when we purchased this because it had tenants. So in mid-city, in Orleans Parish, this is a double. So the seller had reached out to us. We spoke to him for quite a while actually. He was looking to sell. He had the tenants in there. House isn't in great condition. You know, it's definitely very rental grade. It's got a lot of deferred maintenance. So, you know, the tenants have been here a long time. He didn't really want to kick him out. So he was looking for someone who would, that he could sell his rental property to with the tenants in it. And we buy houses with tenants. We love holding rentals. We do flip properties and we'll buy and sell, but we love holding rentals. So for us, the tenant isn't a real issue. Some of them, the one next to they were like on quite low amounts, and we did increase the rent a little bit, but she's still actually there, and she's still below market, and we'll increase that probably every year, you know, if she's still looking after the house. This tenant, they just moved, so now I'm gonna have to turn the property. I'll show you around. You know, so look, it's a nice old double in mid-city, you know, classic shotgun double. But you know, it's gonna need a good turn. You know, we're gonna redo the floors. We're gonna have to paint and patch. I'm gonna have to update the window units, get new window units. You know, yeah, all new flooring. We're gonna do new bench tops. We're gonna do new flooring in here. We're gonna do the taps, bathroom. We're going to update the bathroom. The lights aren't on, you can't see it. But we're going to do a pretty much a full bathroom update. So, you know, it needs a good turn, and we're still going to keep it, so we're going to put a new tenant. But the owner didn't want to do this work. He didn't want to have to fix it up and do this to sell it. You know, if he was to sell it, he would have to get rid of the tenants. He would have had to fix the property, then put it on the market, you know, wait for the realtor to bring the buyers, wait for their financing to get approved, go through the inspection process with the inspectors, and he just didn't want to do that. He wanted to sell fast, as is, for cash, you know. So as cash buyers, we buy really quickly. So if you want to sell your house fast, then reach out to someone like us. We don't mind having tenants. In fact, sometimes it's a positive. You know, we didn't mind having these tenants in place. You know, we do like to come in and fix things and add more value. And this needed to fix up, but the tenants were paying enough to make it work, so we could just hold it for, you know, the year and a bit we've had it for so far. We'll fix this up, we'll get a better rent tenant in, and we'll see what happens with the person next door. We'll put their rent up a little bit, and if they leave, we'll fix it up and we'll get a lot more in rent. And look, this is what we do. So if you want to sell your house without going through the hassle of fixing and dealing with tenants, give us a call. Check out our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. We have a lot of information there about selling your home. Thanks guys, have a good one.